Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a question that frequently comes up about former Florida Attorney General Pam Bondi. Does she have children? It's a simple question, but it touches on the public's curiosity about the private lives of political figures. Pam Bondi has been a prominent name in American politics for years, first as a prosecutor, then as the state of Florida's top lawyer, and more recently as a key ally and advisor to Donald Trump. Because she's so often in the public eye, people naturally wonder about her family and her life outside of the political arena. So, let's get straight to the answer. The direct answer is no, Pam Bondi does not have any children. Despite her very public career, she has kept many details of her personal life private, but it is publicly known that she has never had kids. To understand the context, it helps to look at her personal history. Pam Bondi has been married twice. Her first marriage was brief, and her second marriage was to an ophthalmologist named Scott Fitzgerald, which ended in divorce after several years. She was also engaged at another point in her life, but that wedding was ultimately called off. These details are part of the public record, but they don't include children. The curiosity about whether a public figure, especially a prominent woman, has children is very common in our culture. It often stems from traditional societal expectations about family and life paths. However, for many public servants and career-focused individuals like Bondi, their work becomes their primary focus and defining feature. Her life has been overwhelmingly defined by her work in the legal and political fields, not by motherhood. She built a reputation as a tough prosecutor long before she ever entered the world of politics. As Attorney General of Florida for 2 terms, she was involved in numerous high-profile cases and national legal debates, from lawsuits against the Affordable Care Act to major litigation against opioid manufacturers. Her legacy and public identity are deeply tied to these professional accomplishments and her strong political alignments, rather than a family life in the traditional sense. So, while the answer to the core question is a straightforward no, the full picture shows a woman who has dedicated her life almost entirely to her career in law and politics. Her story is a reminder that a person's public identity is often just one part of who they are, and that a complete and fulfilling life can take many different forms, not all of which include having children. Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope this cleared things up for you. If you appreciate these straightforward answers to common questions, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more content. We'll see you in the next one.